Understanding the phrase, ball kid. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, ball kid. Whether you're watching a tennis match or just overhearing a conversation, understanding this phrase can help you get a clearer picture. Ball kid typically refers to a young individual, often a child or teenager, who is responsible for retrieving balls during sporting events, especially in tennis matches. They ensure that the game flows smoothly by quickly fetching balls that go out of play. Being a ball kid isn't just about chasing balls. These individuals need to be alert, quick, and attentive to the game. They're trained to 1. Retrieve and supply balls to players or officials promptly. 2. Position themselves correctly on the court or field without disturbing the game. 3. Understand the game's rules to know when and how to intervene. In major tennis tournaments like Wimbledon or the US Open, ball kids play an essential role in ensuring matches run efficiently. Understanding a phrase also involves knowing how to use it in context. Let's look at a few example sentences. 1. The ball kid made an impressive dive to catch the stray tennis ball. 2. At major tennis tournaments, ball kids are often as young as 14. 3. Being a ball kid is a great way for young sports enthusiasts to get close to their favorite players. So there you have it. Now you know what a ball kid is and the vital role they play, especially in tennis matches. The next time you watch a game, you'll be able to appreciate these swift individuals running around the court. We hope this video has shed light on another interesting English phrase for you. Happy learning!